Hello guys and girls, and welcome back, and I'm here today to show you how the NEO strategy has helped me to become consistently profitable in these markets. It's helped me grow small accounts, it's helped me pass prop firm account challenges and also get payouts, and it's also helped me to give out VIP signal trades for all of the people in that service. So whilst we're here guys and girls, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to the channel and hit those notifications. Trust me, you're gonna love this one. Let's get straight into it. So straight away you can see already I am in my VIP signal group, and this is all the one-time fee members. As you can see in the banner below, that is the pricing for it. And here I'm showing people that, you know, GBP CAD is a possible sell trade setup, and we should be looking to catch maybe 1 to 2 times ADR worth of profit from this trade. Over here is another VIP group that I have. So the first one was like a scalp / day trade group. This one is more of a day trade / swing trade group for this group here. And what I actually gave out this week was the NZD USD buy trade. It was the only one that came through. As the trade was going on, I was literally updating the members stage by stage what we should be looking for, even about possible news events that could affect this trade. And now when we go over into my Discord, you can see in the testimonials as well, this was the actual trade I gave out. I even gave out this NZD USD trade with a pending order, and it hit it to the exact pip and managed to reverse from there. Okay, so now let's get into the good stuff. So this is the actual strategy itself, which is the NEO trading strategy. And again, this is how I've become consistently profitable in this market and was able to receive several payouts from prop firm accounts trading this way. So the first thing you can see on my chart right now is I have an auto Fibonacci. This Fibonacci will be in the description link below. And every Sunday when I do Zoom calls at 6 p.m. London time, I'm going through all of the possible pairs that could create these types of setups we're going to be going through now. You can see on the Fibonacci, we have a low here and we have a high here. The indicator will instantly pick that up for you. I'm also on the daily time frame, and I look at this from the daily, weekly or monthly, but most times I start on the daily time frame. And what I'm looking for is price action to be at the high or low. We're waiting for a breakout, and then once we've seen the breakout, which just occurred here with this candle, then I'm waiting for a pullback and I'm waiting for price action to continue the possible sell trade or buy trade setup. This is a nice sell trade setup that we can see here. Price action also went back to a supply area, which I have shown traders about many times in my VIP Zoom calls. Now when we go into NZD USD, you can see the same thing here. Price action's at a low. We've seen it buy up. We've seen it break structure with this candle here, which the structural level was over here. And then there was a few buy trades that actually happened from this level. So you can see there was a buy trade here. There was another buy trade here, which was a nice big one. And this was the one I gave out over here. Right now, you can see price action was on a nice demand level for a continuation of a buy. You can see when it comes to Forex, you do not need to overcomplicate your strategy. Some people will act like this is very basic, but you got to understand that price is either going to win or lose regardless of how you trade. The more easier you make the trading, the better. Now let's head over to MT4 so I can show you how the NEO indicator / expert advisor would help you find these trade setups in the blink of an eye. Okay, so straight away we can see we're on NZD USD, and this was the actual buy trade setup that happened here all the way up there. So what the NEO indicator actually does is you can add any pair you want to this side here, and then what actually happens is you can see the age / trend. So this is going to show you if it's in a buy trend or a sell trend, and it's going to show you how long it's been like that for. We can also see where your take profit 1 can be from your entry, which would be ADR 1, which is 73 pips on this pair, and then ADR 2 would have been 146 pips. The ADR is the average daily range. It's how much price action might move within that one trading day. Stop hunt 1 and stop hunt 2 is just showing you when price action is getting weaker and could possibly reverse. Stop hunt 1 is showing you the 4-hour time frame, and stop hunt 2 is showing you the 1-hour time frame. Over here we have a multi-time frame break of structure and change of character system. Right now this is just set to the 4-hour, hence why you can see the break of structure over here on the 4-hour chart. Now when it came to the NEO setup, we wanted to make sure the trend was bullish. As we can see, it's bullish. We wanted price action to go and clear this liquidity, which it did clear this liquidity down here. Again, all of this is drawn for you on the chart when it comes to the indicator. And then we've also seen the demand level again, which is completely drawn for you when it comes to this indicator. And as always, we was just looking for our buy trade setup. Now when we come down to the 5-minute time frame, this is what I was explaining in my last video. I had a buy trade from down here. There was a break of structure, just like you can see over here. And then I took my buy trade from here, and you could have taken it 120 pips, but I took mine to about this level here, and then I came out of the market. After we can see that price action did 78 pips, which was ADR1, so TP1 was smashed, and it almost went to TP2 before we saw this reversal, which again was absolutely fantastic. When it comes to the break of structures or the change of characters, you can easily just leave on the auto trading button once all of the Neo confluences have been hit, which is again just waiting for the trend to be bearish or bullish, waiting for price action to grab the liquidity, be in a supply demand, and we just want stop hump 1 to actually be bullish, which it was at the time before we saw this massive sell. And you're just waiting for stop hump 1 to be this blue color or bullish, which it was before it actually turned bearish. Now when we come over to GBP CAD, we can see the exact same thing happening here. So the trade I gave out, it gave you an alert right here in the market. Again, your stop loss could have easily just been above this last high, and now we can see price action has done pretty much almost TP2. So ADR1 is 100 pips from that entry, and TP2 would have been ADR2, which is 200 pips, and here we've got about 199 pips, which is absolutely fantastic. So let's just head back over to what we're actually seeing here on Neo, and this is amazing. So let's pay attention to this here. Stop hump 1 has actually turned bearish, and I've said this is another way we can counter trend trade Neo. We've seen a liquidity grab right over here in the market with this square that has appeared with the indicator producing for us, and then we have actually seen a reversal. So all you had to do when that liquidity was actually grabbed is right over here we can see another square. You easily could have just drawn a horizontal line here for a possible resistance level, and then you was just waiting for a break of structure. Let's go into the 5-minute time frame so we can see what that looked like after stop hump 1 has told us to look for a possible sell trade setup on this pair. Right now we're on the 5-minute time frame, and imagine if we wanted to catch that actual sell trade, and this is not even the Neo strategy. Remember that this is a counter trend trading strategy, but you can also take these trades. Look right over here, we had a 5-minute break of structure here in the market. Coming out of that resistance level, we was easily able to spot with the indicator, and then we could have just been in this trade setup. Again, our stop loss would have been above these highs here, and look at this fantastic sell trade. This was 104 pips for a possible sell, just very simply using stop hump 1 telling us price action was ready for a trade, and us looking on the 4-hour time frame where there was a possible liquidity grab / resistance level, which was right here, and again we had our 5-minute entry right over here. Don't forget, with the auto trading button, as soon as that happened, price action could have easily have just taken a automatic trade for you to take this trade setup. So guys and girls, again a fantastic 2-trade setup that I gave out as signals using this Neo indicator strategy. If you do want to get this product, it is 100 GBP for lifetime access. That is a limited time offer, and you're also going to get all of these VIP services as you can see on the screen right now. Do not miss out on this opportunity. There is only 15 spaces left and it's running out fast. Okay guys and girls, if you want to message me, you can hit me up in Discord or Telegram. All that information is in the description below. So is payment information if you want to get into any of the services you can see in the banner. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, hit those notifications, and right now it's your boy Big John and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.